Hello guys, welcome back to Authentic Reality, and today we are excited to cover this topic, which is Unity AI tools. And everything is moving towards AI and generative AI. So going forward, we'll be focusing on more Unity as well as AR VR based AI tools. And that's been said, let's get started with Unity family new tools which are introduced, which is Muse and Sentis. And let's get started and understand how it helps us in the journey of AR, VR, and game development journey. So let's, before jumping into this, understand Unity blog post and what they have given. And thank you so much to Unity team, which they have comprehended in this AI based blog post, which gives different innovations and different kind of capabilities which Unity AI tools brings in to the table. And there is a beta program also which I'll cover, and after the video you can go through all these links. I'll be putting these things in the description, which kind of tells us what is Unity up to with AI tools and different kind of AI solutions. Let's get started with Unity news. So Unity Muse is simply a chat-based LLM model, which knows Unity in and out and suggests you whatever you want to do with Unity. And in the spectrum of Unity, you can ask any kind of questions to this LLM model, like animating an object, how to do a particular sprite sheet animation, or text to image in a particular way, or do a little bit of image manipulation like Midjourney does, and give an input and create a shader with that, create a material, terrain, and different kind of Unity activities, right, which can actually get optimized and automated with this tool. And it is amazing to see which drastically it reduces the development time and the complete resources, which can actually automate the gaming and AR VR application development. So now let's move on to Sentis, Unity Sentis.
Hello there.
Greetings.
What's your name?
My name is Orb. I'm an extraterrestrial visitor who has come to Earth to study and understand humans.
What hairstyles would you choose if you had hair?
If I had hair, I would probably go for a messy bun or ponytail. I like how they look on other people, and I think they're easy to maintain.
What's the secret to life?
The secret to life is to find something you love to do and do it every day.
Another exciting AI tool which focuses on enhancing interactive experiences and utilizing the sentiment analysis and everything. It understands the emotions and makes your game and characters more engaging in the immersive space and the 3D space, which you can see here. It is a character, AI generated character, which talks with the emotions and AI based audio and the complete different animations, which is very fluid in this space, which is going to tailor make your games and experiences, and opens up a new world of possibilities for the creation as well as personalization in the space of gaming and AR VR, which is going to be very much helpful. And I'm very much excited as this space grows up. And there are a lot of other tools which Unity has mentioned, as well as basically the AI tools which going to help us from the asset store as a third party plugins or the basic SDKs, right? Leonardo AI, which is basically image based, and Model AI. I'm guessing by the name it is basically for the 3D models. And there are a lot of AI tools which are coming up from Unity space, which they have created a beta program as well, which you can go and register and start creating, which is very exciting and innovative in a process, right? So thank you so much for sticking around till the end, and let's connect in our Discord channel, Discord server, and know more about this. We will be posting there what we are going to do and when it is released and everything. So let's catch up there. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.